Hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain types of React components. Okay, so React has two main types of components. First one is a functional component. It is a modern way, and a JavaScript function that return a JSX, and it is simpler, faster, and support hooks like useState and useEffect. So that is the example of simple functional component. So it is normal normal function like function name welcome and then pass, like we can, if we want, so we can pass props and then return hello props dot name for printing the names of props dot name. So that is a simple functional component. And the second is class components. It is a older way. So class components, it is a related to uses ES6 classes, must have a render method and used to manage state and lifecycle method before hooks. So that is the class component. So class and then class name welcome and then extend react dot component and then render what, return h1 hello these dot props dot name. Okay, so that is a functional component and class component. So functional is a, like we can say in feature, in syntax, like it is a functional, it is normal function, and then class is, it is ES6 class. And in feature, in hook support, hooks are supported and class hooks not used, it will be not used in class component. And code length in functional component, if we will write code in functional component, so our code will be short and clean. And if we will write in class component, so our code like in more boilerplate, it will show more boilerplate. And use today, like in today, most of the time most preferred functional component. And the it is a class component, it is a legacy code base. So that is the functional component and class component. And if we talk about like stateless versus stateful component, so stateless no internal state, and stateful manages internal state from input API data. So that is all about types of react component. And if you have any doubts, so you can comment down. I hope you understood what is the like functional component and class component. So if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.